Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League like a pro. First, focus on mastering fundamental car control. This includes precise driving, flips, and aerial movements. Efficient boost management is crucial for maintaining speed and applying pressure across the arena. Dedicate time to practicing powerful shots and accurate passes, aiming for the top corners or setting up teammates. Finally, learn effective team rotations to ensure constant defensive coverage and offensive opportunities, always knowing where your two teammates are. Once you have the basics down, it is time to explore advanced mechanics. Practice wave dashes to gain speed quickly and half flips for rapid recoveries. Incorporate wall shots and ceiling shots into your offensive repertoire to surprise opponents from unexpected angles. Sharpen your defensive skills by consistently making powerful clears and challenging saves. Mastering ball control, including dribbling and flicking, will allow you to create scoring chances from anywhere on the field. Rocket League is a team game, so strong team play is essential. Use quick chat or voice communication to coordinate plays and call out important information. Understand various team formations, like 1-2-1 or 2-1-1, and adapt them based on the game situation. Develop the ability to anticipate opponent movements, predicting where the ball will go next. Maintaining constant pressure on the opposing team limits their options and creates more scoring opportunities for your squad. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of professional play. Spend at least 15 minutes daily in free play and custom training packs to refine specific skills. Regularly review your match replays to identify mistakes and areas needing improvement. Cultivate a calm and focused mindset, especially during high-pressure situations, to make better decisions. Remember, every loss is a learning opportunity. Adapt your strategies and continue to grow as a player.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.